How to fix stremio add-ons not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix if your stremio add-ons are not working. There might be a few reasons due to which you must be facing troubleshooting in your stremio add-on section. So one by one we will see all these possible issues and the solutions as well. So add-ons are like the lifeline of stremio. So if you don't add important add-ons in your stremio, your stremio might not work and function properly. So in the first step, you have to simply select the show all add-ons option on the top right side of the page. The icon is situated right next to the search bar, as you can see in the picture. So just go to the community add-ons tiles on the left hand side of the screen and then just install required add-ons. You will find description of the add-ons below their names. If you are not interested in the audiobooks or audio installing add-ons or audiobooks, you just simply skip it and just make sure to install the important add-ons which are needed for the stremio to be played properly. And after that, just try playing the content again and it might fix your problem. And if it doesn't, then you must be facing problem with Trio for stremio. So you need to add Trio for stremio. So for that, you need to open your internet browser and visit the website written over here, or you can access the website through this link as well in the description box. You can check that. On the website, scroll down to the bottom and click on install button, and a pop-up will appear on the screen and it will look something like this, and it will ask your permission to open stremio. Just allow the permission by selecting the open stremio option, and then finally deselect the install button again on your stremio app, and this will install the new add-ons and all you have to do, and after that just restart your PC and open stremio again, and now search for the content you wish to find, and this might fix your problem. Another possible reason could be your internet connection. So if your internet connection is working but it isn't stable, then it could also be an issue. You can check your internet connection speed online on the fast.com or other similar services. You can also turn off your Wi-Fi router and turn it on again after a few minutes. Once you are sure that your internet is working fine, then just go ahead and open your stremio, and then your non-stream issue should have been fixed now. Moreover, you can also try using it via your mobile data. If your Wi-Fi is not working properly, you can choose a different stream that demands lesser data users as well. Another possible reason could be that your server is down. This is a very rare case, but it is still a problem. Nonetheless, most of the high quality services are working on servers, so that one goes down, maintenance, the breakup server manage everything. So that could be one of the reason. So just check the server and you can try it out stremio after some time when the servers are fixed. Another reason for stremios on stream was found could be your VPN connection. So a VPN disguises your location and hides your identity. So if you have turned on your VPN, it could cause issues while loading streams on stremio. So you can go ahead and disable that and it might fix your problem. You can also update your stremio app if it is not working properly. So if you're facing the issue of non-stream, then it is possible that the app you're using is outdated and cannot synchronize with the services. So this could result in stremio failing to fetch the channels or the add-ons on respective services for you and show this error. Lastly, if it's still your stremio isn't working, uninstall it and reinstall it again. Sometimes app and softwares are required to be installed again because there can be some underlying bugs and issues causing the app not to work properly. So simply uninstall the stremio and download it again. Install the necessary plugins and follow the things mentioned above, and probably it should start working properly. So this is basically how you will be able to fix your stremio add-ons if they are not working properly. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.